Where does it tell you what guild perks we have?
Um,
Go to your
Oh,
tab.
yeah,
who is this
yeah.
person here?
Where in the hell?
We have
Storm charged leather.
mobile banking.
Who is Ting Young? Ting
This
Yun.
No clue.
Squawk.
It's who?
Squawk.
Squawk.
Okay, cool. Okay, Squawk, you got your you got non-newbie status.
Restream bot. Said YouTube, Rudy Irahito with Autism 1050.
46.
Hey, Aim, your other buddy is back that we haven't seen in a while.
Go.
Yeah, Rudy is back.
Storm charged leather.
Rudy's the one that always tells us what time it is.
Well, I definitely don't have a clock nearby or anything like that.
Yeah, I know, but Rudy tells us what time it is generally. Alright, let's see what we've unlocked here. Shroud of Cooperation. That would be fun to unlock. Did we have this one before, guys?
What?
Guild Herald?
No.
Is that a new one?
Yep.
What does it do?
Teaches you how to summon a companion. It's a pet?
A mobile vendor.
Is it?
Okay.
Oh.
Cloak of Cooperation is nice, but we don't have it.
No, I'm
Well.
just...
I have it, but we don't.
Yeah.
Guild Herald is new. Guild Page we don't have yet. Gotta kill 40s to get it.
The Dark Phoenix mount.
We can spend 10,000 gold or 20,000 gold and get an 8th tab on our guild bank.
That's a lot.
Oh, is that an option now?
Yeah.
I thought we had all of those guild tabs.
Nah, I think we have 7. So you can have up to 8.
Because we had to go get a guild voucher.
Yeah.
We have something to do with war feathers.
That's yeah.
Oh yeah, you need the vouchers, 20k. Yep.
Mystical cult of elements?
Kilt of
Kilt.
What's the difference between an illustrious and a renowned guild tabard?
One gives
Probably
you
an amount of
50%, one gives you 100% gains, reputation gains.
Where the
Oh,
hell is...
So I can buy one of those.